नमो सद्गुरु तुकया ज्ञानदीपा नमो सद्गुरु सच्चिदानन्दरूपा नमो सद्गुरु भक्तकल्याणमूर्ति नमो सद्गुरु भास्करा पूर्णकीर्ति सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं Ramakrishna Hari. I am very happy to come live, and today we are starting Adhik Maas, and on the occasion of this Adhik Maas, in the morning thought came to me, I should speak on something, whatever I know, I should preach that to a masses. And then I thought, what should I take up, which text I should speak on. Then I thought I will speak on Natache Abhanga. It is the one portion of Tukaram Maharaj where I find he has expressed, Tukaram Maharaj has expressed his heart, he has disclosed his heart in front of Lord Vittala. And then I thought 30 days session will be there, one Abhanga we will see, and I am not going to go much deeper and deeper, just one word, one line and simple explanation, so that in half hour we should complete our first Abhanga. So I am very happy, and Shubham Chorge, Master Shubham Chorge, he is helping me and he is playing tabla. So let us embark our journey in this Natache Abhanga. Natache Abhanga means what? Tukaram Maharaj, he has expressed, poured his heart in those Abhanga. In this Abhanga you will find bhakti, devotion, knowledge, yoga, siddhi, whatever entire spirituality is there, all is included and incorporated in this. Okay, so let us sing Abhanga and he will play tabla. Let us enjoy. This is purely to preach our Shastra through English language to a masses. Many and more people should benefit from this. Okay, so I will start singing. You also can join, but you may not have this Abhanga. So this is the first verse of Natache Abhanga from Tukaram Gata. In Tukaram Gata, so many sections are there, like Advaita Par Abhanga, Tukaram Maharaj explaining about the nature of Brahma, Santa Par Abhanga, like he is explaining the glory of Saint Mahatma. He is fighting with God. He is, persuading God, you should do this. He is asking something from God. Like that, so many things are there. Out of that, I have picked up this Natache Abhanga. One Abhanga, simple translation, and more joy will derive from this Abhanga. Okay, thank you Shubham for helping me and embarking this journey. Okay, let us sing. विठ्ठल आमुचे जीवन आगमनी गमाचे स्थान विठ्ठल सिद्धीचे साधन विठ्ठल ध्यान वेसावा विठ्ठल ध्यान वेसावा विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत. First line he is saying Vithala Amache Jivana. Jivana means life. And he is saying, I will use he word for Tukaram Maharaj because in English language this is the limitations. But we never use he for Tukaram Maharaj. Santa Tukaram Maharaj says, Vitthal is my life. First line, Vitthal Amache Jivana. Vitthal is my life. Life means what? In this body, consciousness is expressing. And if that consciousness somehow we take away, what happens to this body? It becomes inert. Now also it is inert, but because of consciousness, sentiency is there. When you take life away from this body is of no use. Same way Tukaram Maharaj says, this Lord Vitthala is my life. If you take Lord Vitthala away from me, I will be like dead body. First line, Agama Nigamache Sthana. Agama Nigama means Ved. My Lord Vitthala is the place where all Shastra, Veda, they take birth. All Shastra Puranas, they have emerged from Lord Vitthala. And this is, he is explaining Brahma Sutra. Brahma Sutra, second sutra is Shastra Yonitvat. Shastrasya Yonihi. All Shastra, they are came out from Lord Vitthala. And another meaning also, Lord, through Shastras, Shastram Yasya Yonihi. That is called Shastra Yoni. Means through scriptures only I will come to know Lord Vitthala. Agama Nigamache Sthana. He is the place where all scriptures they come out from him. And another meaning is I will know about Lord Vitthala if I read Vedas, Shastras. You know, in our Maharashtra, people they just outrightly condemn Lord Vitthala is a just stone and murti. They never go to Shastra and all. That is why confusion is there. If you want to know anything about Lord Vitthala, Shastra is the yoni. Now, next, Vitthala Siddhiche Sadhana. Vitthala, Lord Vitthala is the means to achieve extraordinary powers in our life. We all want extraordinary power. Something greater, better I should have from other person. Other person has a BMW car, I should have better than that, Lamborghini. So better car I should have. We want extraordinary things than other people. Tukaram Maharaj says, if you want to have Siddhi in your life, the means is Lord Vitthala. How many Siddhis are there? I will not elaborate that. Ashta Siddhis are there. First is Anima, Mahima, Garima, Laghima, Prapti, Prakamya, Ishita, Vashita. I will send this video to all if you want to have more knowledge about this. Anima means what? To become small. So generally if we chant Vitthala's name, if we dedicate our life towards Lord Vitthala, we will have this Siddhi. But everybody doesn't have this. There are inner Siddhis. Anima means what? You consider yourself low than other people. I am nobody. Otherwise what we say all the time? I am somebody, I am greater than you, I am better than you. So Anima means what? If you do dedicate your life, thoughts toward Lord Vitthala, then Anima Siddhi will come to you. Means you will give credit to other people. I never did anything, that person did, Lord did. This kind of thoughts you will have. Next is Mahima. Mahima means to become a bigger and bigger. Means what? You take up bigger goals in your life. Don't hesitate to enter or to take a task, bigger task in your life. So second Siddhi we will have, because Vitthala is the means, sadhana to get all these Siddhis. Next is Garima, means become so heavy. Garima means becoming so heavy. Means what? You have unflinching faith towards Lord Vitthala. Nobody can shake you from this spirituality, from your goals and from your principles. That is Garima. Next is Laghima. Laghima means you become so light. There is no weight as such. If we go to moon, on that planet, our weight is so low. Like that, low weight means you become cool at the mind level. Coolness of mind should be there. Next is prapti. Prapti means I can attain anything in my life. I can attain anything. But what I should attain? I should attain that which is beyond time and space. So that I should attain. That is prapti. Prakamya means what? I can read mind of the people. Means what? This is prakamya means what? I should read the mind of people, and according to that I should have great vision, so that I also get benefit from my deeds and doing, and other people they also get benefit. Next is ishita. Ishita means I can have mastery over world. I can control this whole world. Means what? You create thing, you take up some activity, and you appoint right people on right place and achieve great thing in your life. So this is called ishita. I can have control over the world. And last one is vashita, means I can control animate and inanimate. I can control jada and chaitana. Means what? Rule people heart. People's heart you rule. This way first stanza is over. विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत, विठ्ठल वेत गोत चित्त, विठ्ठल पुण्य पुरुषार्थ, आवडे मात विठ्ठलाची, आवडे मात विठ्ठलाची, विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत, विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत. विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत. He is saying Lord Vithala is the deity, the main, our family god. Daivata means family god. Lord Vithala is my deity. Our ancestors have been worshipping Lord Vithala. 8 generation of Lord Vithala worshipped. In our Tukaram Maharaj Charitra it is said, from generation after generation worship is going on of Lord Vithala. Vithala is Kuliche Daivata. He is the deity, family deity. Vithala Vitta Gota Chitta. Vithala is Vitta means money, Gota means relative, and Chitta means my mind, my Antakkaranam. Lord Vithala is my money. We all run after money. Tukaram Maharaj says, Lord Vithala is my money means I will run after him. We always try to pamper, love our relatives. So he says, Lord Vithala is my Goth. Gotra. Goth means Gotra, ancestor. I will love Lord Vithala. And Chitta means I will fill my heart with Lord Vithala. In my bosom, there will be no second thought about person, object, people in my mind. I will have Lord Vithala in my heart. Vithala Punya Purushartha. Vithala is Punya, merit. When I remember Vithala, when I see with Lord Vithala, I get merits, Punya. And Purushartha. Vithala is Punya, and Purushartha means 4 Purusharthas are there: Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. All 4 Purushartha will be falling in my lap if I go to Lord Vithala. And Avade Mata Vitthalachi. And I love Lord Vithala from the bottom of the heart. I can't think anything about that Vithala. Next stanza. विठ्ठल विस्तारला जनी, सप्तही पाताळे भरोनी, विठ्ठल व्यापक त्रिभुवनी, विठ्ठल मुनी मानसी, विठ्ठल मुनी मानसी, विठ्ठल कोळीचे विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत. Now he is saying Lord Vithala is not only standing in Pandharpur. You see the understanding of Tukaram Maharaj. We feel right now Lord Vithala is in Pandharpur only, standing on a brick, keeping hand on west and blessing all. And that is why so much distortion in society, open the temples and all, and so many things. Tukaram Maharaj says he gives the pervasiveness of Lord Vithala. He says Lord Vithala is omnipresent. Vithala Vistarala Jani. See, beautiful, he is thinking about Lord Vithala. Lord Vithala Vistar, expansion of Lord Vithala in the all living beings. So somebody will say only on earth he is there. He say no. Saptahi patale bharoni. 7 downwards lower worlds are there, like Atal, Vital, Rasatal, and like that 7 worlds are there. He is present there also. Who? Lord Vithala. He is understanding about Lord Vithala. Vithala Vyapaka Tribhuvani. And he says not only down to earth, he is there above this earth also. Tribhuvan means Swarga, Mrityu and Patal. Patal 7 loka he covered, Mrityu loka all living beings, and now he is saying God is everywhere. We all the time ask where is God, where is God? God is everywhere. We don't see, we don't have those eyes, vision, sight to see that God. And that Shastra and saints, they confer this kind of thinking and vision to us. He says Vithala Vyapaka Tribhuvani. Vithala is pervading, present everywhere, all pervasive. And Vithala Muni Manasi. Muni means a sage, and Manasi means in his heart. Lord Vithala is the object of contemplation, meditation in the heart of Muni. Next beautiful line, Vedanta is coming here. विठ्ठल जीवीचा जिव्हाळा, विठ्ठल कृपेचा कोवळा, विठ्ठल प्रेमाचा पुतळा, लाविला चाळा विश्व विठ्ठले, लाविला चाळा विश्व विठ्ठले, विठ्ठल कुळीचे दैवत, विठ्ठल कुळीचे दैवत. He is saying Vithala is जीवीचा जिव्हाळा. Beautiful words. Jiv means conditioned consciousness or reflected consciousness, and Lord Vithala is consciousness of that conditioned consciousness. In simple word, Jiva is Pratibimba and Lord Vithala is that consciousness, it is a Bimba. So one is Bimba, original person, and another is reflected image of that person. Vithala Jivicha Jivala means Vithala is the pure consciousness who is reflecting in Antakaranam. So Jiva is also nothing but another expression of that same consciousness. Jivicha Jivala. He is saying Vithala Krupecha Kovala. Krupecha Kovala means when it comes to give benediction, Ashirvada, Krupa, grace, Lord is very, Kovala means delicate. If you just fold your hand and ask something to God, God will say yes, you will get it. Krupecha Kovala. Easily He will be pleased by your request and He will give whatever you want. Krupa He will immediately do. Krupa means what? Krupa means He will give us that intellect, right thinking. After that I will take right decision. In Bhagavad Gita he says, Dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. God gives knowledge. How he does krupa? By giving knowledge. Teshameva anukampartham. Anukampa means krupa. God gives krupa by giving knowledge to that devotee. Krupecha kovala. He is so delicate. He gives any boon just like that. Vithala premacha putala. Vithala, Lord Vithala is embodiment, personification of love. Our Jnaneshwar Maharaj is Chaitanyacha Putala. He is the personification of that pure consciousness. Lord Vithala is embodiment, personification of that pure consciousness. Vithala Premacha Putala. He is the personification of love. If you want to see love in this world, you go to Lord Vithala. Laviela Chala Vishwa Vitthale. And this Lord Vithala has, made all world crazy. Anyone who come across Lord Vithala Pandharpur, he will be crazy. Tukaram Maharaj says, पंढरीचे भूत मोठे आल्या गेल्या झडपे वाटे. Once you go there, he will grab you. He will grab you. So, Laviela Chala means whole world is crazy for him. Whole world means those who have visited Pandharpur, they know about Vithala through scriptures, they know about Lord Vithala. Okay. Now last stanza, we will change the tune. विठ्ठल बाप माय चुलता, विठ्ठल भगिनी आणि भ्राता, विठ्ठले विन चाड नाही गोता, तुका म्हणे आता नाही दुसरे, तुका म्हणे आता नाही दुसरे, विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत, विठ्ठल वीत गोत चित, विठ्ठल पुण्य पुरुषार्थ, आवडे मात विठ्ठलाची, विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत, विठ्ठल कोळीचे दैवत. Now, culmination of bhakti. We have brother, sister, our all relatives. Tukaram Maharaj says, after doing so much contemplation on Lord, Vithala Bapa Maya Chulata. Now Lord Vithala alone is my father. What is the work of father? He should take care, look after his baby. So who is looking after all of us? Only God. We feel my mother, father, they are looking after me. God is empowering them and they are looking after us. Vithala Bapa, Maya. Maya means all the time. You tell your mom, I hate you. Mother will say, okay, eat food. He will never say, I also hate you. Kuputra jayate, kumata kaschit na bhavati. So kumata never will born. A boy can say, I hate you to mother, but mother will never say, I hate you. That is why Lord Vithala is like mother. You say, why this corona situation is there and all business, everything is collapsing. I hate you, Vithala. What is this? Temple is also closed. Lord Vithala will say, but I love you. I will make everything for you. I will arrange so that your life should go peacefully. Vithala Bhagini ani Bhrata. Vithala is my sister. Sister means something you can share with her. So that also. You see, if you see Tukaram Gatha, Tukaram Maharaj has shared so many inner things to Lord Vithala. And Vitthale Vina Chadanai Gota. Once you make God as your relative, then you don't need anybody. And we all know how relatives are. When you have money, they will come after you. When you don't have money, you become penniless, then they will forsake you. So Vithala Vina Chadanai Gota. I don't want anybody now, no any relative, because Lord Vithala is my father, mother, sister, brother. तुका म्हणे आता विठ्ठले विन चाड नाही गोता, तुका म्हणे आता नाही दुसरे. And Tukaram Maharaj says, now I have nothing to do in my life. After having devotion, meeting Lord Vithala, realizing the nature of Lord Vithala, now I don't have any goal in my life. My all goal they are completed. My all desires they went away. आता nahi dusare. You know, right now we all are watching this. After this we have something planned. After that plan we have 3 o'clock plan, 6 o'clock plan. All plans they are lined up. Means what? We have dusare आता dusare, आता dusare. Tukaram Maharaj says that I have done like this. I have done this. I have been there. I have done that. Tukaram Maharaj says आता nahi dusare. Vithala is my family deity. And such a beautiful verse. This is the first abhanga of Nat. I will be not explaining sequentially. I would like to do that, but as abhanga touches my heart, I will express in front of you. And time is also not fixed. Whenever I have time, I will come online. You can share so that other people, they think Varkari Sampradaya, they are only, they know Talam, they don't know anything. No languages, no mastery, no management, no intelligence. So for such people, this is not arrogance, but spirituality has its own place. Spiritual is also a science. And Tukaram Maharaj, Jnaneshwar Maharaj, they have explained this science in very beautiful language. You know, in our Indian philosophy, Charvak is also a darshan. We don't say Charvak, you go away from us. We say, okay, we'll include you. We gave first sthanam, first place in all our 12 darshanas, Indian philosophy, we give first sthanam. So we incorporate all. If you want to have Dvaita Bhakti, then Madhvacharya is there. If you want to have Vishishta Advaita Bhakti, Ramanujacharya is there. If you want Advaita Bhakti, Shankaracharya is there. If you want Advaita Bhakti in lucid language, very madhur bhasha, Jnaneshwar Maharaj is there. If you want to understand same higher concept, higher secret of life with good and daily life example, Tukaram Maharaj is there. So we have lot of things to offer you. How much you are ready, that is depending on. So today we conclude here with our this Adhika Masa Chintanam. Thank you for watching this and keep blessing us, keep watching this, keep deriving great thoughts and have reverence, respect for our Indian culture, tradition and our Varkari Sampradaya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. पुंडलीक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. सब संतन की जय. रामकृष्ण.